Hello, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Project Veer Gatha 4.0 is a joint initiative of which ministries? A. Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Youth Affairs. B. Ministry of Defense and Ministry of Education. C. Ministry of Culture and Ministry of Defense. D. Ministry of Education and Ministry of Sports. Correct answer is B. Question number 2. Which institution developed the Central Suspect Registry? A. Reserve Bank of India. B. Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center. C. Central Bureau of Investigation. D. National Investigation Agency. Correct answer is B. Question number 3. Which state has become the first state in India to implement the Uniform Civil Code? A. Uttarakhand. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Question number 4. Which state has recently formed a committee to draft a uniform civil code? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Jharkhand. D. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Question number 5. Which state government recently inaugurated the Lakhisarai Museum? A. Bihar. B. Odisha. C. Jharkhand. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Question number 6. Which state government has launched the project Hifazat on International Women's Day? A. Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Odisha. D. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Question number 7. Which state government has recently introduced the rural sanitation policy to enhance waste management at the Gram Panchayat level? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Question number 8. Bhaskaracharya National Institute of Space Application and Geoinformatics is located in which state? A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Question number 9. What is the name of initiative launched by Union Home Minister to tackle liver diseases across India? A. Healed. B. Liverline. C. Fit Liver. D. Live is safe. Correct answer is A. Question number 10. Which rivers are exclusively allocated to India under the Indus Water Treaty? A. Indus, Chenab, Jhelum. B. Yamuna, Ganga, Gomti. C. Ravi. B. Satluj. D. Brahmaputra, Teesta, Subansiri. Correct answer is C. Question number 11. Which institution has been ranked as the best in India in the Asia University Ranking 2025? A. Indian Institute of Science Bangalore. B. Indian Institute of Technology Bombay. C. Anna University Chennai. D. Banaras Hindu University. Correct answer is A. Question number 12. Which state government has declared May 5 as the Traders' Day? A. Maharashtra. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Kerala. Correct answer is B. Question number 13. Which state government has launched Creators Land, India's first transmedia entertainment city? A. Maharashtra. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Karnataka. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Question number 14. What is the name of the operation launched by the Railway Protection Force to combat human trafficking across Indian railway network? A. Operation Raksha. B. Operation Vijay. C. Operation Ahat. D. Operation Sakhi. Correct answer is C. Question number 15. Where was Northeast India's first geothermal production well drilled? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Assam. C. Mizoram. D. Tripura. Correct answer is A. Question number 16. Nai Disha initiative was launched in which city to reintegrate school dropouts into the education system? A. Jaipur. B. Bhopal. C. New Delhi. D. Chennai. Correct answer is C. Question number 17. Prasnath Hill is located in which state? A. Jharkhand. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Odisha. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is A. Question number 18. Bharat Seva Kendra is a nationwide initiative launched by which institution? A. Chamber of Commerce and Industry, B. Niti Aayog, C. Reserve Bank of India, D. Ministry of Rural Development. Correct answer is A. Question number 19. What is the name of mock drill conducted near India's western border to test readiness against external threats? A. Operation Chanakya, B. Operation Shield, C. Operation Surya, D. Operation Vijay. Correct answer is B. Question number 20. Which state government has launched the Vande Ganga water conservation campaign? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is C. Question number 21. Which state has become the first in the country to introduce Aadhaar based face authentication for ration distribution? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Uttarakhand, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Question 22. Which state government has launched Operation Kalnemi to act against fake cents cheating the public? A. Uttarakhand, B. Punjab, C. Haryana, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Question number 23. Which state government has lifted the ban on traditional heritage sports in August 2025? A. Punjab, B. Haryana, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is A. Question number 24. Kartavya Bhavan 03 was constructed in New Delhi under which initiative? A. Smart Cities Mission, B. Make in India Initiative, C. Central Vista Redevelopment Project, D. Urban Renewal Mission. Correct answer is C. Question number 25. Which state has implemented the Disha Abhiyan for students with the intellectual disabilities? A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Rajasthan, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Thank you and I hope you like the video.